The trend of upcycling old wood into stunning decor pieces has gained considerable momentum in recent years, driven by a rising awareness of environmental issues and a desire for unique, handcrafted items. Upcycling is not just a creative approach. It's also a responsible one that transforms discarded materials into beautiful, functional art. This movement offers woodworking businesses an exceptional opportunity to marry sustainability with innovative design, creating products that resonate with eco-conscious consumers. Woodworking businesses have the chance to elevate waste into treasure by utilizing discarded or reclaimed wood. The beauty of old wood lies in its character, imperfections, and stories, which can make each piece a unique work of art. By creatively reimagining these materials, woodworkers can craft decor that not only enhances a space's aesthetic, but also serves as a conversation starter about sustainability and environmental responsibility. This narrative is becoming increasingly appealing to consumers who value originality over mass-produced items. The process of upcycling allows woodworkers to explore various styles and techniques, tapping into their creativity and artistic expressions. Utilizing different types of wood, grain patterns, and finishes can lead to an array of compelling decor options. For businesses, this means they can diversify their product lines and adapt to evolving market trends. As consumers seek more personalized and unique decor solutions, the potential for innovation in upcycled wood projects becomes a powerful selling point. Moreover, upcycling can significantly reduce material costs for woodworking businesses. By sourcing discarded wood from local suppliers, renovation sites, or even community donations, these enterprises can minimize expenses while also supporting local economies. The cost savings can be reinvested into high-quality craftsmanship or unique design features, ultimately enhancing the product's allure. This duality of economic benefit and environmental stewardship sets a robust foundation for a successful woodworking business model. In building a brand around upcycled wood decor, storytelling becomes essential. Consumers are drawn to narratives that explain the origins of materials and the craftsmanship behind each piece. By sharing stories about the source wood, the techniques used, and the transformation process, businesses can create a deeper connection with their customers. This approach not only fosters brand loyalty, but also emphasizes the importance of sustainable practices, encouraging more thoughtful consumption among buyers. Workshops and community involvement also play a vital role in fostering a thriving upcycled wood business. Organizing local workshops can help educate the community about the benefits of upcycling and woodworking while providing a platform for hands-on experiences. This engagement creates a loyal customer base that values not only the products, but also the brand's commitment to sustainability and community development. As participants gain skills and knowledge, they may become ambassadors for the brand, spreading awareness and driving further interest. Digital marketing strategies can be particularly effective in showcasing the unique beauty of upcycled wood products. Social media platforms offer a visually rich medium to display the transformation of old wood into stunning decor. By using before and after visuals, process videos, and storytelling captions, woodworking businesses can attract a larger audience. Highlighting customer testimonials and real-life applications of decor items can further enhance the credibility and desirability of upcycled products. Partnerships with local artists and designers can also serve as a catalyst for innovation in the upcycled wood decor space. Collaborating with individuals who bring different perspectives can lead to groundbreaking designs and unique offerings that set the brand apart from competitors. Such partnerships not only help diversify the product range, but can also create opportunities for bundled offerings that appeal to a broader audience. In addition, embracing sustainable practices in logistics and packaging can strengthen the brand's commitment to the environment. Using biodegradable materials, minimizing waste, and promoting careful shipping practices can enhance the overall customer experience and align with eco-conscious values. This holistic approach to sustainability appeals to consumers who are increasingly looking for brands that reflect their environmental principles. As the upcycling trend continues to grow, woodworking businesses must stay attuned to consumer preferences and industry trends. Regularly seeking feedback from customers can provide valuable insights into what designs resonate most. Adapting product lines based on customer input can foster innovation while ensuring that offerings remain relevant and appealing. Running a woodworking business focused on upcycled materials is not without its challenges. Sourcing quality wood and managing the intricacies of various materials can require significant time and effort. However, overcoming these challenges can lead to exceptional products that embody the ethos of sustainability while showcasing exquisite craftsmanship. By embracing these challenges, businesses can position themselves as leaders in the eco-friendly decor market. The rise of upcycled wood decor represents a significant shift in consumer consciousness towards sustainability and creativity. As individuals and businesses become more aware of environmental issues, the demand for unique decor that tells a story has surged. Upcycling old wood not only preserves natural resources, but also transforms waste into remarkable works of art. For woodworking businesses, this trend offers an opportunity to innovate while aligning with eco-conscious values that resonate with modern consumers. At its core, upcycling involves taking discarded or reclaimed wood and giving it new life through thoughtful design and craftsmanship. Woodworkers can explore a plethora of techniques to creatively reinvent these materials, from refinishing and repurposing to intricate joinery and artistic embellishments. Each piece tells a unique story, characterized by its history and the transformation it has undergone. This narrative quality is appealing to consumers who increasingly prefer items that carry meaning rather than generic mass-produced products. Business opportunities in the upcycled decor market can be vast, given the growing consumer interest in personalized, sustainable home furnishings. By establishing a brand identity focused on eco-friendliness and unique craftsmanship, woodworking businesses can attract a dedicated customer base. Highlighting the sourcing process, along with the artistry that goes into each piece, creates a profound connection between the producer and the consumer, enhancing brand loyalty and community engagement. Moreover, sourcing old wood can often prove more economical than purchasing new materials, especially when companies utilize local resources or materials salvaged from renovation projects. Businesses can forge partnerships with contractors, local municipalities, and even individuals looking to dispose of old wood, creating a sustainable supply chain that reduces costs while promoting environmental responsibility. This not only helps the bottom line, but also contributes to a circular economy where materials are revived rather than discarded.